always remember the day that I first met you. We spent hours getting to know each other over lunch. Months later, you would tell me that you had planned the date for that day so that you could leave early if I was weird. To be honest, I'm not sure why you didn't leave early. As time went on, you became my best friend, my soulmate, and now I can't imagine my life without you.
And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you was something I won't lose.
Andrew, my love, my soulmate, my best friend. I knew you were going to be a special person in my life when I met you. I had this unexplainable confidence that we would become each other's best friends and greatest loves, all wrapped in one. I didn't realize until I met you, but you are exactly who I had been waiting for my whole life.
You're the most beautiful woman in the world to me, inside and out, and I can't wait to see what adventures await and what challenges we will overcome as husband and wife. Because together we can do anything.
8 years earlier, while in the worst pain of my life, I had prayed to God that someday He'd find me a man who would understand every little thing about me and love me for exactly who I am, for all my strengths, weaknesses, and imperfections. And it was on this day, 6 years ago, that I knew He heard me.
I promise to be the best man I can for you and listen when you need to be heard.
I promise to protect our marriage, to support and respect you throughout all of the ups and downs we may experience.
I promise to always kiss you goodnight and good morning. And I look forward to the life we will have together. How could I ever have a bad day with you when each one starts and ends with you next to me?
I can't promise that our lives will be easy, but I can promise that I will be by your side as long as I live. I love you, Andrew Mitchell Zamanek, with all my heart.
Katie, okay. I love you beyond words, and you're not gonna like what I'm gonna say here because when she was little, I used to call her my little Pookie monster. And you still will always be my little Pookie monster.
I first met Katie about 5 years ago. Andrew had invited me out to lunch at Bertucci's, and that's how I knew that was serious. Lunch at Bertucci's, that's pretty fancy for Andrew.
As soon as I met Andrew, I very quickly became the third wheel in their relationship. And if you look closely in all of their wedding pictures, I'm actually in the background of all of them.
I think I like you. I think you like me too. I got no cause for your reservation. I think I like you. I think I like you.
How did Katie end up with a guy like Andrew? So I made a list of all of his qualities. But then I made a list of all of his good qualities.
I think I like you. I think I like you. I think you like me too. I think I like you.
To Mr. and Mrs. Zamanek, till the end of our time, I wish you both the best, and I love you both. To Andrew and Katie, everyone.